Hey folks, tonight I'm going to build a bee feeder. Days are getting shorter and I don't have as much time to individually feed all the hives, but I really don't have many hives. I only have 3. So I bought a 2-gallon paint bucket from Home Depot. Figured it would work just as well as the 5-gallon, but I wouldn't be wasting as much sugar water. Also got the lid from them. So it's really simple to do. All you have to do is drill holes about halfway down on this lip, all the way around. And then I'll show you the rest here in a minute. So I'm drilling 1 hole, again, halfway down, all the way around each little lip. I'm doing it from the outside in because I don't trust myself not to drill through that lip section. The size bit I'm using, I don't know what size it is, but it's probably 1/16 of an inch or so. Smaller the better. Doesn't have to be anything huge. It's really that quick to drill the holes into. We got some cheap sugar from Aldi's. It's not even granulated anymore. It's a solid brick. Usually I'd fill up this bucket halfway, fill the rest with warm water, give it a stir. I don't know how Aldi's can actually sell this sugar. It is a brick, but the bees won't mind. Probably have to get a little more sugar in there. I got a lot on me. So all we do, fill up a little water. Actually, hang tight 1 minute. I might grab the hose. Buffy, our chicken, wants some sugar water too, I think. Fill it up about halfway, a little more than halfway. There we go. I don't have anything to stir it beside me, but we put the lid on. Oop. My wife is handing me a handy dandy bamboo stirrer. Give it a stir. The hose did most of the work getting the sugar broken down. Put the lid on very tightly. I'll make sure it's tight. Then, basically, you just flip it upside down quickly. And you might be able to see the sugar water. We'll take a video of the bees feasting on this a little later. But all that sugar water just stays right in the lip there. It won't overflow. And the bees have a little place to stand and have their dinner. Hope that helped someone out there, and have a great night.
It's crazy. They love the sugar water. So hungry.